In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website on Google Workspace using the Google Sites website builder. The first thing you need to do is log into your Google Workspace account. Go to sites.google.com. This is Google's free website builder included with Workspace. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, click the blank site option. You'll see it at the top left with the plus sign. Now, give your website a name and a title. You can edit text by clicking directly on the header section. Next, use the menu on the right-hand side to start adding your content. For example, click text box to add text, images to upload pictures, or choose layouts for pre-designed sections. To add more pages to your site, click on the Pages tab on the right. Then, press the plus icon at the bottom. Name your new page and it will appear in the site menu automatically. If you want to customize your design, click on the Themes tab. From here, you can change fonts, colors, and overall style of your website. Once you're happy with your site, click the Publish button in the top right corner. You'll be asked to choose a web address. By default, your site will be published under a Google Sites URL. But if you have your own domain through Google Workspace, you can connect it here. Finally, click Publish again to make your site live. You can now share the link with others or update it anytime. And that's it. That's how you build a website on Google Workspace using Google Sites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.